Okay, Jamie. Action.
Okay, now you can go. Now you can go. Come on. Now you can go. It's okay. Hello. You can only do so much tape, man.
Come on, kid. You're making a fool of me.
He called action. Did you not hear the word action?
I said action.
He said action. Oh, there we go. That's a boy. Wow. Yeah, very good.
That's so good.
Ah. Make sure we're still taping.
Yes, yes. Yes, you're still on. Are you ready for your close-up?
Uh-oh. We got a toy.
Yay, Jamie! You notice he went the other way too?
He did. Yes, you
Yay,
did.
Jamie! Yay! Well, that's a good little baby.
Yeah, big smile.
Yes, okay. Now we going for your close-up. Yay, Jamie!
Very good. Whoops, almost. Come on, get that little.
He's got a toy and a knee in the way.
You can do it. Oh, my God. You can do it. You can do it. Do we find thumb?
I think we may have found thumb.
Yes, you are just the brightest little thing.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
Did you explode again?
Was that an explosion or was that his noggin?
Huh? Oh, was that his noggin? He was like, clunk. He's certainly enjoying it. Wasn't he facing the other way?
Yep, he's wiggled all the way around.
Shrek, did you find a worm? Did you find a worm?
What you got up there, Jamie? What you got up there?
Gotta pull the arm up. That's the whole trick. Is you gotta pull the arm up. Almost there.
Okay, I think that might be enough, but this is so good.